How's it going, everyone? I'm Jason for WTI. Do you love super comfortable fitness clothing? I do. And so when I'm working out, I really like to work out in these shirts by Project Titan. Let me show you why. So I'm wearing the drop arm tank top muscle tee. Now this shirt is designed to have these large armhole cutouts, which are perfect for doing upper body exercises. You have total freedom of movement, no shirt bunching up under your arms causing you any trouble. It's made out of a super comfortable cotton polyester blend. It absorbs moisture, wicks away sweat, and dries quickly. Now after you're done using it and it gets a little dirty, what's nice about it, it's super low maintenance. You just throw it in the washer and dryer. Alright, so there you have it. If you are looking for a super comfortable shirt to work out in, whether you're at the gym, at home, at the beach, wherever, then Project Titan has got you covered. I really think these are great shirts, and I think you're going to like them too. And that is my point of view.